What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this GMC Hummer EV remote key fob. This GMC Hummer key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look at the bottom of it, you can see there's this slot right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. What I'm going to do is take my key and put it in that slot like this. Then I'm going to angle up and push up on that back cover like that. Once we get that back cover off, we can see our battery right here. And I'm going to grab my key and come in one of these two slots right here like this, just to get under the edge of the battery. Get our old battery out, then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. I'm going to tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap the battery down into place. Then we'll put the back cover on. What I'm going to do first is hook the top of the cover on like this. So hook the top of the cover on like that, and then snap it down into place. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.